This ended up being a hit and run, and if you're wondering why an ambulance wouldn't stop, well, it's because the ambulance was actually stolen. This rider was coming in way too fast and all the cars were completely stopped. This is why you gotta slow down and ride safe. Luckily he seemed to be okay, but he took a pretty hard hit and hopefully he learned his lesson. I don't think this is something that you would really expect if you were lane splitting. But I guess you can add this as another risk when you lane filter. I've mentioned it many times before, lane splitting has its risks, and this is just another example.
Switch!
This rider had a close call when the car coming towards him was in the wrong lane.
Oh,
I mean, if you're gonna crash, this was probably the best spot that it could have happened in.
what are you doing, dude? Come on. What are you doing? No, I'm not going in the other lane. I'm going in the middle. Holy f***. You good, dude?
How come there's no f***ing sign right there?
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Hey, take a second, bro. That was gnarly. I got that on camera. Take a second. Oh, I hit hard. Thank God for elbow guards.
Seu maluco do caralho, você é doido, filha da puta!
अगर खतरनाक लाइन से आवाज मार देना अभी सिद्धार्थ भाई चल रहे हैं मेरे आगे ओ भाई साहब
Excuse me, ladies. I'm needed elsewhere.
What? Okay. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Oh, that was a cop. Is he coming after me? I'm trying to find a perfect car I can cut in front of to get off Bethany.
The rider thought for sure he would get pulled over, but somehow he lucked out. If you ride, you should always expect the unexpected. When the car slows down, that usually means they're about to turn, and if this rider kept going, the car might have turned right into him. There's a lot of bad drivers out there, and drivers that'll run red lights. Lucky for this rider, he hit the car instead of him, because that would have been so much worse.
Sem nada, né? Batendo lata mesmo. É cheio de moto vindo ainda, só não dá nem pra entrar pra direita. Ah, não dá não. Tem mais moto vindo. Mais moto.
I'm pretty sure you can almost guess what's about to happen here.
Agora dá pra ir. Eita, porra.
Watch the red Charger up ahead. He's driving reckless, passing a bunch of cars. I think he's trying to race the biker, and it just doesn't end well. Hope you guys enjoyed today's clips. Leave some comments down below. Thank you guys once again. We'll catch you guys next time. Peace out.